name is Seung Yup Ok, who is the director of Hanyoung Nux Vietnam. Our company Hanyoung Nux is provide automation equipment. For example, temperature controller, proximity sensor, photo sensor, switch like that. Mainly, we provide a temperature controller, which is our core product, and also output part, SSR and TPR. This is our main product in Vietnam. This exhibition much bigger than I would expect. This time, we could introduce our product to Vietnamese customer. So I think it was a really good opportunity for us. Yes, of course. Yeah, we will willingly visit Bangin to see the market, to the customers and demands.